change of subject. So first one, this is fractions. If you change it with no fractions, and you move p out to another side, and that's it. Okay, number 6. This one, okay. Fractions, okay, make it with no fractions. Use cross multiplication or other stuff. Make it with no fractions. Multiply 2 from both sides. Mean at squared. Mean the a as subject. So the other thing, move the factor to the denominator. That means there's some factor t squared here. So move it to the other side. Just keep a 2d over t squared. Number 10. I want to find k common factor. Okay. So this term is not useful. I move it out. And I just need k, and there's no other k here, so I have already factored out. I want to solve this. I factored out the k. I already factored out the k, so I move the whole factor to the denominator of the other side. So k is just equal to h minus q over the whole thing, p plus p 5, and then that's it. Number 11. So have fractions, and with two terms, multiply the LCM of the denominator. So the denominator, the LCM of the denominator is 1, t and 1, so the LCM is t. So multiply all the terms with t. So r times t, s over t times t is s, 2t times t, 2t squared. So I want s as common factor, s as subject, so I move this term to the other side. Okay, this one, a, b, 1, so fractions, I have to multiply the LCM of the denominator is multiply L and A and B. So I multiply AB. So multiply AB. AB over A is BX. AB over B is AY times AB, just AB. X, I want X. This one no X, no X. So move this one out. Okay. Plus to minus, right hand side. I just want X. So the whole thing divided by b. This one, 2 at denominator, just times 2. This one, do you need to times 2? Yes, you need to times 2 because this is another term. So it will become like this, and I want m as subject, so this term is not useful anymore. 2e minus 2p. So, and then I move the v squared to the denominator on the fractions, okay? Number 15, I want to find t as subject. Okay, this is just one big term, L times I think one term. The L is not useful. Actually, I can just move it to the left hand side. This multiply and then move it become here. Just one term and then two terms here. And then I minus a 1. But this is a fraction and then two terms is not nice. I will make it to L over L. That means d minus L over L over AT. And then I will just want a t, just the A. I will move it, divide both sides by A, AL, and then this t. T is equal to d minus L over AL. Another way to do it is to have a bracket, expand, boom boom, L plus ATL. So t term, no t, so d minus L, and then move the ATL up. Actually, this one is more fast in sometimes. So H only here, so I can move the B to the right hand side, and then this is a factor of times H. So this is the whole thing divided by 1 minus k squared. So number 17, I want to find h as common factor, just a h here but not a h here, a big term. So I will rather expand out because don't need to handle fractions in the very beginning. And then I can just an h, there's a factor, so divide the whole thing by 2 pi r. Number 21, find p. There's 2p here, more more difficult questions, okay? Fractions with 3 terms. That means multiply 100, 100a equal to 100p plus times 100 and then cancel the denominator, p and r. So got 2 terms with p. So I have to factor out the p. All the p are in one side, another side no p. So like this, and then divide the whole 100a by 100 plus nr. So number 22. So the q is the subject. So q here. So I need to expand out the bracket q plus 5r plus 5q. So this 6q. This one no q. The term should put it on the other side, like this. So I can then divide the whole thing by 6.